My name is Ganesh Kumar. I am working lab in charge with Lens Clinical Laboratory from Vishakhapatnam. Newly purchased Jemita washed and radar. I am using thyroid T3, T4, TSH kits. The kits is very good and results also very good. I compare the results other lab same equal to lab results. I am choosing this missions very good. Thank you Jemita, giving the good product and missions.